Hey guys, welcome to Trading the Charts. My name is Rex and this is Tesla Weekly Analysis, episode 26 for week ending April 3rd, 2021. On Monday, Tesla was down 1.2%, closing at 611.29. It came close to testing the bottom of the green channel, which currently lies at around 580 to 590. Tesla touched 596 at its intraday lows. However, I totally expected to reach that 580 to 590 level and possibly break below it temporarily before reversing. However, given the bearishness in the indicators, where the MACD is starting to slope downwards and also the falling RSI, it's possible that Tesla could close below the green channel. If it does, we could see it testing the 200-day moving average, which currently lies at around 513. On Tuesday, Tesla was up 4%, closing at 635.62. As expected, it retested support at the bottom of the green channel at its intraday lows at around 591. It also closed right around the highs at resistance at the bottom of the orange channel at around 637. Now I'm going to go out on a limb and say that we've put in a bottom here for a few reasons. 1, it looks like we may have put in a higher low here. 2, although we had a bearish cross on the MACD recently below the signal line, it is starting to flatten out and looks like it's about to make a higher low. And 3rd, the RSI also looks like it's putting in a higher low. With that said, I do think that we are in the beginning stages of a reversal to the upside. On Wednesday, Tesla was up 5%, closing at 667.93. It's starting to gain some bullish momentum after bouncing off of the support of the bottom of the green channel yesterday. As I mentioned, the indicators are looking much more bullish, as the MACD is currently putting in a higher low and the RSI is doing the same. Based on the bullishness of these indicators and the price action today, it leads me to believe that Tesla has put in a bottom and will continue to rally going forward. Also note that it has also broken back into the orange channel, but it needs to break out of this downtrend before it can continue to rally, in my opinion. A break above 700 would confirm a trend reversal. We do have an upcoming catalyst where Tesla will announce their first quarter deliveries by end of week. If the market isn't happy with the delivery numbers, we could see Tesla backtrack and fall. On the flip side, if Tesla rallies on these numbers, we could see it easily pass 700 and make its way up to the 50-day moving average at around 739. So the reaction to Tesla's delivery numbers will be a key factor in the direction of Tesla's stock price going forward. On Thursday, Tesla was down 0.9%, closing at 661.75. Despite the small pullback today, the picture is still looking bullish compared to just a couple days ago. The indicators of the MACD and RSI are still looking bullish as well. We will need Tesla to break out of this slight downtrend line in order to confirm this trend reversal. As I mentioned, it will need to break out and close above the 700 level. If it breaks above 700, we could easily see it reach the 736 to 750 level, which is where the 50-day moving average and the top of the orange channel falls at. To the downside, we have support at the bottom of the orange channel at around 630 to 640. Tesla has been bouncing above and below this line, so if it breaks below it, we could see it retesting the bottom of the green channel at around 590. So those are my price predictions for next week. Bull case, if it could break above 700 and confirm our trend reversal, it'll move on up to resistance at around 736 to 750. Bear case, that 630 to 640 level of support needs to hold, otherwise it can move down to retest support at around 590. Today is Good Friday and markets are closed. But we've got some big news released by Tesla this morning. And it's their highly anticipated first quarter delivery numbers for 2021. Tesla reports 180,338 vehicles produced and 184,800 delivered in first quarter of 2021. Analysts were expecting Tesla to deliver around 168,000 vehicles during this period, according to estimates compiled by FactSet as of April 1st. Estimates range from 145,000 to 188,000 deliveries. All of the electric vehicles it produced were Model 3 sedans and Model Y crossover SUVs, though it also delivered 2020 Model S sedans and Model X SUVs. Tesla's operations during the quarter ending March 31st, 2021 were impacted by a fire at its Fremont, California factory, temporary closures that CEO Elon Musk attributed to parts shortages, a broader chip shortage in the industry, port capacity issues, and the ongoing pandemic. During the same period a year ago, with the novel coronavirus spreading the world, Tesla reported it produced 102,672 vehicles and delivered 88,400 vehicles. That's a whopping 209% year-over-year growth. What makes these deliveries numbers so impressive is that automakers generally see a seasonal decline in sales during the first quarter, and as mentioned, there were also a few production issues on top of it this time around. Tesla had to shut down Fremont factory for a few days due to part supply issues, and it had to retool Model S and Model X production line for the refreshed version. Tesla was coming off of an overall delivery record last quarter, but the automaker wasn't expecting to break the record again in first quarter 2021, which makes it that much more outstanding. With that said, I'm totally expecting a huge move upwards in Tesla price when markets open on Monday morning. Now, on to Tesla news. A South Korean daily newspaper reported Tesla and Toyota are considering jointly developing a small electric SUV platform, the car's basic skeleton. The partnership review has been conducted since last year. Toyota provides the vehicle platform to Tesla, and instead, Tesla provides some of the electronic control platform and software technology installed in its vehicle to Toyota. When the partnership with Toyota is established, Tesla will be able to launch a compact SUV EV at low cost using the Toyota platform. This was reported by the Chosun Ilbo, which is the biggest newspaper in South Korea. I've been told the reporter of the story is also highly regarded. We'll see if it's true. Tesla looking to make 5 semi-trucks per week in Nevada. Tesla's volume production of its semi-truck is to take place at its Austin location. Tesla is reportedly building a new Tesla semi-truck production line at a new building near its Gigafactory Nevada plant, and the electric vehicle maker plans to produce 5 electric trucks per week. Tesla plans on volume production of the Semi at its Austin location. MHX Leasing, a California-based logistics company, reportedly secured $1.9 million to acquire 10 Tesla Semi-Class 8 trucks and $560,000 to buy 2 overhead electric cranes from the Mobile Source Air Pollution Reduction Review Committee. Elon also warned Tuesday that a shortage in battery cell supplies could hamper Tesla's ability to scale up production of the semi-truck. Musk said that demand for the trucks is no problem, but near-term cell supply makes it hard to scale the Semi. He added that this limitation will be less onerous next year. Volkswagen to buy credits from Tesla in China to comply with environmental rules. A Volkswagen joint venture in China has agreed to buy green car credits from Tesla to help meet local environmental rules. The deal, the first of its kind to be reported between the two companies in China, highlights the scale of the task Volkswagen faces in transforming its huge petrol car-making business into a leader in electric vehicles to rival Tesla. Shares in Volkswagen, the world's second biggest automaker, have soared this year as investors warm to its plans to go electric. But in China and elsewhere, the German company is still heavily reliant on traditional combustion engine vehicles. China, the world's biggest auto market where over 25 million vehicles were sold last year, runs a credit system that encourages automakers to work towards a cleaner future by, for example, improving fuel efficiency or making more electric cars. Manufacturers are awarded green credits that can be offset against negative credits for producing more polluting vehicles. They can also buy green credits to ensure compliance with overall targets, though trade is usually between affiliated companies that share a major stakeholder. Apple to buy over $50 million worth of batteries from Tesla for new energy storage project. Apple announced a massive new energy storage project in California, and we learned that Tesla will supply its Megapack battery systems for the project. Megapack is Tesla's large-scale energy storage product used for utility projects. It consists of container-sized batteries with power electronics all in a single package. In a press release on Wednesday, Apple announced that it is building a massive new 240 megawatt-hour energy storage project at its solar farm in Northern California. It would indeed become one of the largest battery projects in the country and in the world. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.